everyone, my name is Phương. Look at the picture. This is my family. There are 6 people in my family. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, mother, aunt, and me. We love taking holidays together. This is my grandfather. He is a farmer. We love painting together. This is my grandmother. She is a farmer. We love hiking together. This is my uncle. He is a builder. We love fishing together. This is my mother. She is a worker. We love hiking together. This is my aunt. She is a bank official. We love hiking together. And this is me, a student. I love family so much. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.